In front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by finding Recorder app and clicking on it. Now, before recording, tap on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to, like recording format. When you finished, go back, and to start recording, select this button at the bottom. If you never used Recorder before, click on while using the app and allow. As you can see, after that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button on the left. To add a bookmark, select this flag on the right. And to end it and save it, click on the middle button. And then to play your recording, click on it. If you see this kind of pop-up, hit allow or don't allow. Then click on cancel and play your recording anyway. To rename it, hold it, choose rename at the top and type in wherever you want to. Then hit OK. Now, if you wish to delete it, you can also hold it. But this time, instead of rename, select delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!